Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Twitch chat delay so your messages and viewer interactions appear in real time. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable with low latency. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. Next, enable low latency mode in your Twitch channel settings under Stream Options. Disable any slow mode or follower-only mode that might be adding delays. If you're using chat overlays or third-party bots, make sure they're up to date and connected properly because outdated tools can cause lag. Clear your browser cache or app data to remove corrupted files affecting chat. Finally, refresh your stream or app and test by sending messages to confirm the chat delay is gone. These steps usually reduce chat lag and make Twitch interactions smooth. Subscribe the channel for more videos.